I'm Jennifer Van Berklio, online editor for Power Engineering. CB&I, Exelon, and 8 Rivers have teamed up to build a $140 million demonstration power plant that produces zero emissions from natural gas. The plant will be built in Texas using a supercritical carbon dioxide turbine from Toshiba. The plant will demonstrate Net Power's technology, which uses CO2 to drive a combustion turbine and produce pipeline quality CO2 that can be sequestered or used in oil-enhanced recovery. Commissioning is expected by 2016. Many Fortune 100 companies are investing in solar power. That's according to a new report by SEIA. The third annual Solar Means Business report names Walmart as the top U.S. company investing in solar for the third year in a row. The report names the top 25 companies investing in solar, which includes Kohl's, Costco, Apple's, Macy's, Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, Walgreens, and L'Oreal. Combined, the 25 companies have deployed 569 megawatts of solar capacity at 1,100 locations. That's a 28% increase compared to the same time last year. But IKEA takes the lead on facilities utilizing solar power, approximately 9 out of 10 stores. You can find the report on the Power Engineering website. Now let's shoot over to Sharon Dotson, editor of Nuclear Power International magazine, for today's nuclear headline.
Thanks, Jennifer. Lockheed Martin announced that it is in the development phase of a compact fusion reactor that the company expects to deploy in 10 years. Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works team said it plans on producing a prototype reactor in 5 years and has made the news public in order to seek out partners. The company said the reactor will generate 100 megawatts of capacity and measure 7 feet by 10 feet, which helps in designing, building, and testing of the reactor in less than a year. The CFR is expected to be small enough to fit in the back of a truck. Compact nuclear fusion would use deuterium-tritium fuel, which can generate nearly 10 million times more energy than the same amount of fossil fuels. That's your nuclear news for today. I'm Sharon Dotson, editor of Nuclear Power International magazine.
Thanks, Sharon. In other news, Alstom Renewable Power and DCNS are working together to develop and commercialize an integrated system for a semi-submersible 6-megawatt floating wind turbine that could eventually open up for export. The companies plan to be in a position to produce the turbine by 2017. The C-READ project has received support from the ADEME with a $7.6 million in funding to cover the initial study and certification phase for the floating system. Powergen International is right around the corner. Powergen is December 9th through the 11th at the Orange County Convention Center in Orlando. Throughout the years, Powergen International has covered it all, providing a world stage for the innovations, ideas, and solutions that have formed our industry for more than 2 decades. With a record-setting attendance of more than 22,000 attendees, 90 countries, and 1,400 exhibitors, there's simply no other place to be for education, networking, and new business development. To register, visit power-gen.com/register. Well, that's your power generation news for now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for this newscast twice a week on the Power Engineering website. And you can always connect with our editors and join in on the discussions on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. For Power Engineering News, I'm Jennifer Van Berklio.